Second graders, it's Mrs. Briggs here with Module 2, Lesson 9's Deep Dive. Today you will need your reading notebook, but we're going to use the vocabulary section. You will also need your Plains Indians book. So pause the video if you don't have those materials. Today we are going to explore academic vocabulary, and today's word is nomadic. First, turn to page 17. We are going to look at the second paragraph on that page. So if we look at our page here, this is a paragraph, and we're looking at paragraph number 2. You can read with me. Horses changed the way Plains Indians lived. With horses, Plains Indians could travel farther and faster than ever before. It made their nomadic lifestyle easier, allowing them to move their camps from place to place as they followed the bison. Plains Indians also found that they could track and hunt bison more effectively on horseback. Tribes such as the Crow gave up their farming lifestyle to become nomadic hunters. Horses also made them more effective warriors, able to attack their enemies quickly and suddenly. What did you notice about the word nomadic on this page? Take a moment to think about what you noticed about the word nomadic. Nomadic is an adjective. It's a describing word. It means moving from place to place without keeping a home. Oh, I gave you a sneak peek, but where in our books can we find this definition or what the word nomadic means? Yeah, we can look in the glossary. So open your book to the glossary, and that's found at the end of the book, and find the word nomadic. I'm going to pull up a picture of the glossary here. Noticing the words are in alphabetical order, so it starts with words that start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Oh, there's N at the bottom. Nomadic. Moving from place to place without a fixed home. Moving from place to place without a fixed home is what the glossary says. Let's go back to our definition here. Moving from place to place without keeping a home. Are they both very similar definitions? Yes, they are. They both have moving from place to place. Why did horses make nomadic life easier? In that second paragraph on page 17, it says, horses changed the way Plains Indians lived. With horses, Plains Indians could travel farther and faster than ever before. It made their nomadic lifestyle easier, allowing them to move their camps from place to place as they followed the bison. So why did horses make nomadic life easier? Yes, it allowed them to move their camps as they followed the bison. They didn't just have to walk and carry all their things anymore. They could ride on a horse. How can we find more information about nomads or nomadic people without searching every page in the book? If I said, please find the word nomadic, instead of sitting there and flipping through every page trying to find it, is there another spot we could look? There is, and it's not the glossary, it's called the index. The index. This is also found at the end of the book. It says index at the top, and you'll notice there's a lot of words on here, also in alphabetical order. So I'm going to look for words that start with N. Oh, do you see nomads? There it is. Nomads. I can find nomads in a lot of different places. I could look on page 7, 10, 17, 18, 22, 25, 32. This tells me that the word nomads is on all of these pages. So if I want to find out more information about nomads, I can check each of these pages that are listed. On page 18, it says the nomadic tribes moved from place to place to stay close to the wandering bison. So again, this sentence on page 18 also uses nomadic as describing the tribes moving as they follow the bison. So in your vocabulary section of your reading notebook, let's add the word nomadic. So we'll write nomadic, and then it means moving from place to place without keeping a home. Pause the video here so you can write this down. Okay, to wrap it up today, we found more information about nomad and nomadic by doing what? We used the glossary. We used the index to find out where the word nomad was used in the book. And then we used clues in the sentence around the word nomad. So talking about the tribes traveling from place to place, following the bison, those words helped us to know that nomad or nomadic means that they are moving from place to place. Again, your task today was just to add the word nomad and its definition to your vocabulary section of your reading journal. So if you did that, you are done with the lesson today. Great work, and have a great rest of your day.